It was not my choice to be standing here today. I wanted to go to trial. I wanted to expose the criminality that runs through the heart of this corporation, a criminality demonstrated clearly and irrevocably by the evidence which I have seen. I wanted to share newsgroup secrets just as they have shared mine. Unfortunately, that legal recourse is not available to me or to anyone who does not have countless millions of pounds to spend on the pursuit of justice. Until someone comes along who can confront the Murdoch's endless means, all that I have left are these words, and they are the truth. As recently as Tuesday afternoon, lawyers for Newsgroup attempted to get this hearing adjourned and to stop me and others from having their statements read today. It is more than a little ironic that they will go to such lengths to conceal and protect their privacy. It was a practice that they would break the law. It was a practice that they would steal legally protected information. It is a fact that they stole my own medical records and published that I had had a pregnancy. And yet they continue to wage a war against a legal inquiry into this illegal and frankly disgraceful behaviour. It is a part of my case that Rebecca Brooks confirmed to those that represent me that she knew about my pregnancy in the most vulnerable moment of my life. It is a part of my case that she assured those that represent me that she would not print that information. And it is a part of my case that she, the Sun, did print that information. In these proceedings, I learned firsthand the extent to which that newspaper and this corporation will go to protect those at the top from being exposed and facing the consequences of their actions. As my statement in open court made clear, I am deeply distressed and shocked by what I have learned about the conduct of journalists and senior management at The Sun and News International. They all thought they were above the law. I am sure when they weigh up the costs of this case, that kind of behaviour probably seemed worth it, bearing in mind the amount of money they made by trading on people's personal information, by trading on their lives, by trading on their own private truths in order to sell their papers. They very nearly ruined my life. I have certainly seen how they have ruined the lives of others. Their behaviour shattered me, damaged my reputation at times beyond repair, and caused me to accuse my family and friends of selling information that catapulted me into a state of intense paranoia and fear. Their actions, their words, their tittle-tattle compelled me into making decisions about my future and ultimately about my own body that I have to live with every single day. I say this with humility and speak for those who do not have a public profile, who do not have a voice to fight back. I stand here in fellowship with the untold lives that have been destroyed by The Sun and News International. I would love to not be in front of you now, having intimate details and personal information yet again made public, but I feel I have a duty to illuminate the facts as I have seen them. I want to thank my legal team for working so tirelessly to take this as far as we have. And it is my hope that others will be able to pick up where we have left off, that somebody can take it further than I was able to do. I would unhesitatingly participate as a witness in anybody's effort to challenge the people responsible at a trial.